Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to do this on this table. Okay. So very simple. We come to custom system cabinet. Okay. You can use this one. Pop. And you see superboard. You drag out. Or the one superboard also can. We use the top lah. This one is a table, so we choose top, tabletop lah this time. Okay, panel. I'll choose tabletop. See that we got one called top. I'll just tabletop. Okay, we use this one. Top. Drag out first. Then give it size 600 and 1200. Okay, so rotate it first. Convenience for me to see. X, click on it. X, I'll rotate it. Okay, so if you don't want the edge, right, you can all put 0 lah. 0, 0, 0. Okay, so move it up. Exit. Okay, so this one we put hole first. How to open hole first? You can just click B, board selection, right click, board selection. You may see this one, open hole. Okay, so you can select the hole. Then the size up to you. Maybe you put 10 also can. 10, open hole. Or too small, cannot see. But also same as the picture. Never mind. You can see in here one hole. Okay, so you can copy this one. You can click on array. Okay, for the hole. So Y is this direction, right? Y. Then you maybe put like 10. I got 600 here, so it's 70. I put 10. Interval I put maybe 20 also. Apply. I can see 10 hole here. Okay, so you can click on the hole. I'll click on the hole, then you decided. Okay, maybe I array again. This time I want X. X here. Okay, I put maybe also 10. And then I put 20 also. Apply. Okay, you can apply hole there. Okay, so this is how you open the hole. Okay, once you open the hole, right, then you can use another banner or another banner. This time we use superboard. Use glass. I don't want. This time I want to use this one. Yes, front razor. Never mind, we raise it. Okay, 600. The one 600. I want 10. No. Okay, the one this one. I use superboard. Try out the superboard. Okay, we rotate it. This one. This one the height I gave. Exit first. Board selection. Skip board selection. Okay, I give the height. I give 450. Okay, and this one I'll rotate it. Okay, X, rotate it. Okay, Z, move it up. Okay, height, exit first, change the height. The height is the depth right here. Okay, so I'll change the depth to 450. Okay, right. 450. Okay, that 600. Okay, so rotate it. X, Z. Put here. Okay. maybe I lower down the height. This one put 300. Then I move down, drag down a bit. Okay. Back 450. Okay. So here you can open hole also lah, like the picture, or like the picture we can open hole also. But I apply the same material first, so convenient for me to see. So I format printer, material printer, copy the material only. Okay. Then here I want to open the hole, right? You can just click here. Okay, click the board selection, select it. Then click open hole. Okay, click on hole open. Okay, size you can change now 10. Okay, then you click array. Okay, so you can see the hole how to go. Maybe same thing apply. Okay, another thing I want to show you is you not only can use array to create the dot. Okay, you also can click on the dot, move the dot. Let's say this one, I move it 200. 200. You can move and adjust the dot. Okay, so to make sure you design perfectly with the number here, or 200, you can change it. Okay, dot. Okay. So make sure you design properly, then you can continue. Okay, so see the dot here. Okay. Okay. For the box, this one you can simply just drag this one, the box here. I think it's a panel also lah, from here to here, a design. So just drag one of the panel. Maybe I drag this one. Put this one, put here, put here. Okay. Then I press type, move it. Okay. Just a panel. Okay. Lower it down a bit. The height is 600, so I put 500. Okay. So this one moving a bit. So later just change the color. Okay, this one I put dark color a bit. Okay, dark color. Okay. And this one here, I choose another color, something like this one. And this one is metal, so we go for metal. Something brown metal. Okay, let's see, brown metal. Get the brown paper, then copy, control, format printer, material printer, then paste on it. Okay. So eventually it look almost like that. Okay, so about the dot you guys adjust lah, about the dot. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.